बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा ऐसे है कंपेयर एंड कंट्रास्ट ऐसे गुड नेबर्स एंड बैड नेबर्स। चलते हैं ऐसे की तरफ। गुड नेबर्स एंड बैड नेबर्स आर टू completely different types of people who can have significant impact on our daily lives. Having a good neighbor is like having a close friend, while having a bad neighbor can be a nightmare. Good neighbors are friendly and helpful, while bad neighbors are rude and uncooperative. Good neighbors always greet you with a smile and are always ready to help. On the other hand, bad neighbors are often unfriendly and uncooperative. They never help when needed. They intentionally create problems, which makes it difficult to live in peace. Secondly, good neighbors are respectful of others' privacy, while bad neighbors are disturbing and nosy. Good neighbors do not interfere with other neighbors' personal lives. They understand the importance of privacy and do not intrude or eavesdrop, while bad neighbors interfere in others' personal affairs and spread rumors. Thirdly, good neighbors are responsible and understanding, while bad neighbors are careless and selfish. Good neighbors are considerate of their neighbors' feelings and emotions. They avoid loud noises and do not cause any disturbance. On the other hand, bad neighbors are noisy, messy and careless. They leave their trash outside and listen to loud music. The difference between good neighbors and bad neighbors is vast. It is always better to have good neighbors as they can make life easier and more enjoyable. ये था हमारा कंपेयर एंड कंट्रास्ट से गुड नेबर्स एंड बैड नेबर्स। उम्मीद है आपको समझ आ गया होगा। वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।